There are always lots of questions about the next generation of the Mazda CX-5. Of course, the CX-5 Gen 2 has been around for a long time, 6 years to be exact, but that doesn't mean it will be replaced. The CX-50 may sound similar, but it actually takes a different path. Just think of them as siblings with different personalities. Previously, Mazda announced plans to produce 3 electric vehicles, 5 plug-in hybrids, and 5 conventional hybrids by 2025, where we saw a successor to the Mazda 6 and an electric SUV concept. This is where this speculation comes from, giving rise to rumors about the successor to the Mazda CX-5, even though there are no teaser photos or videos that test spy photos. Of course, this could happen because the CX-5 is Mazda's most popular vehicle, selling 365,135 units last year. While waiting for the latest update of the CX-5, we have an unofficial idea of the successor to the new Mazda CX-5. We hope you like it. The successor to the Mazda CX-5 will reportedly use a 2.5-liter full hybrid engine, possibly an evolution of the existing petrol-electric setup. As for the release date, 2025 seems to be the most interesting year. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you soon.